All right, this will be a quick unboxing. I told you I couldn't stop buying. Here's another box that arrived at the house. I know of, I don't know, at least 3 more that are coming, so there will be more videos coming. This one is from our friends at the Glass Underground, and they have some Frit mixes. I showed Goldstone that I had used. I love this Goldstone Frit mix. To me, it looks like beach sand, particularly like a darker beach sand, which is more what I'm familiar with in the Gulf of Mexico, Texas side. But they also have a beach sand Frit mix. So I ordered a couple of different Frit mixes. If you haven't seen them before, shoptheunderground.com. Just go to their Frit section, and these are really affordable Frit mixes that are just really cool colors. And so you can see what the Goldstone one looks like. You can see what beach sand looks like and how they differ, but I do really like both of these. Then there's this other one here, blue granite, which is really pretty. There's a picture on their website of a drapery bowl vessel thing that they made with this, and it was really pretty. Also green sparkle Frit mix, which the holidays are coming, so I think I might have some uses for this. I don't know what colors are in here. This is all bullseye glass. And then pretty in pink. So here it's real light. Obviously this is a striker for the most part, and it strikes to a really pretty pink, and you can see a photo of that there. So just a box of, maybe it's not too exciting to you, but I love these Frit mixes from Glass Underground, and so thought I would show them to you, and you will definitely see these in future projects. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.